I was right.
Gago! Ay! Shit!
Punta ka sa red.
Shit!
Punta ka sa red.
Sino to?
Wala.
Uy!
Okay, we're back. Or siguro kay... Oh, we could go up here.
Try. Try.
Give me try. Oh shit, I fell. I fell again. Oh,
Pwede tong i-switch pag gabi.
what? Okay. Ito na yung safe spot natin ah.
What the
Remember this.
fuck? May
Kaya ba natin mag-regen? Hindi.
Hindi ko alam. Ginapay ka, ikaw si Gago. Mga tanga. May
Paano
bahay
ba?
dito.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko. Okay, I have memorized the map. The watchtower is over there. The dormitory is over here. And the safe room. Oh shit! Let's go! Tower, tower! Hoy! Hoy! Tower, tower! Please! Gago! Hindi gumagana yung flashlight! Ayun.
Gago. Don't leave me. Don't leave me,
Oh.
don't leave me.
Dude, where you at?
Okay.
Where you at? Come on!
Don't leave.
I can't see it. I can't. I can't see the tower. Holy fucking hell.
Fuck. So.
I think I fucked up.
Uy, shit!
Gago, pinabato yun, legit.
Run!
Gago, ko hinahabol pre. Uy.
Asan ka na, Gago?
I'm dead. I'm dead, dude.
Dito ako
I'm
sa
dead.
may kulay red. Shit, man.
Dude, this game is actually buzzing. Come on. Don't lie. It's just that it's pointless because wala naman siyang,
Shit!
wala siyang goal talaga. Dude,
Bro, I'm fucked.
nakita ka? Yeah, bro.
He sucked me dry.
Pero legit, ang ganda ng pagkagawa. Okay, I see the dormitory. I see your body, dude.
What the fuck?
Nag-shake din yun
Where?
sa'yo? Nag-shake
Huh?
din sa'yo?
Nag?
Shake?
Oh, sabi nag-power outage.
Oo nga eh.
Kailangan ma-reactivate. Fuck
I
it,
don't even
man.
know where the power is. Okay, I have memorized the map. Have you seen the red? Where you at?
I'm lost.
Okay, I'm in the tower. I'm in the tower. Alam
Nandyan
ko
yung
na kung
rake. Ba't ako pupunta dyan?
wala. Yung rate nasa corner. Yung merong scoreboard.
Andun ako eh.
The fuck do you mean? Nandyan nga siya. Malapit siya
Kita
sa
ko siya,
tower.
kita ko siya. Gago, kita ko siya. Gago, may pinatay na naman.
I told you. I was right.
Gago! Ay! Shit!
Punta ka sa red.
Shit!
Punta ka sa red. I think I see. Oh, okay, I think I see you.
Fuck, he's behind me.
Bro.
Uy, nakatakbo ako.
Legit?
Yeah. Saan ka?
Dude. Can you see some light?
Oh, diretso. Yeah.
Wala, hindi ko rin umakyat. Nakakit ka?
Oo.
Okay, I'm
Hanapin mo
climbing
yung...
up. Alam mo, ba't di ako Ba't hindi ako... Alam mo yung
Uy, nakakakit siya! Gago!
Pagka-access ko, bumaba siya. What the hell is this?
Nakakakit siya.
Namatay ka din?
Oo.
What the fuck? How do I pick it up?
Fuck! Nandito siya sa akin.
Ito ba, narinig ko yung sigaw.
Shit.
It's cute to pick up things, right?
Shit. I don't know.
Ew, I pressed it.
Fuck.
Shit, that's a gun.
I outrun him.
Okay. Come on, look at this, dude. Pussy, come here.
Saan ka ba?
Oh, fire the gun in a clear, safe area when ready.
Saan ka ba?
Here. The tower.
Tower?
Yes. Hey,
Saan?
look right. Look at your left.
Saan mo
Look at
nakita?
your left, idiot. Yeah. Look at this.
Where did you get that?
Here. Should I fire it now?
Mamaya.
Fine. I think I can fire it
Ah!
now.
Mag-summon daw ng supply drop?
Yes. And did it work?
Don't fucking know.
Ay, dito nanggagaling yung rape. Alam mo ba?
Saan?
See? I can hear the plane. What the fuck? Uy, dito
Uy,
nanggagaling yung rape. Gago.
Gago!
My flashlight isn't working.
Tagay na, naghiwalay pa tayo.
Dude, my flashlight isn't working. Help me.
Click mo.
I'm clicking it. It ain't working.
Ba't baliktad?
What?
1-1
My
mo nga.
flashlight isn't working.
Tagay na, nag-switch pag binabaliktad.
Dude. Wala. Gago. Gago. Ganun ang flashlight ko.
Baliktad yung flashlight mo.
Ay,
Bobo.
sa likod umiilaw?
Pinapatay niya kapag bubuksan niya kapag nakatalikod na.
Oh.
Likod mo yung
Wow.
naiilawan.
It's not working. Look. And tapos press 1 again.
Tangina, you're on your own.
That's why I'm following you, dude. You're my life. Hey, you're gay.
The fuck?
Dude, stop it.
Asan yung supply drop mo?
Oh, fuck. You hear that?
Yeah.
Upward blink. Oh shit, it's nearby, dude. Come on. Run away. Where did you hear it, though?
Oh shit. It's a dead end.
What? Wait for me, then. I don't have a light.
Come on.
Told you. Oh shit. It has been killed. Alay, paano pag dumating na yung race stop, iiwan mo ako?
Oo.
Hello. I'm gonna flex my flashlight on you. You seeing this, dude?
Nakikita ba yung chat ko?
Yes. LOL. Siya isa-attribution natin pag dumating yung race. No, is Rixie coming? The fucking kid. Dude, it's a kid. I heard. It's a kid. No. Okay. We are gonna betray him, dude. I run as fast as possible. What the fuck? Oh, I'm in the house.
Okay, I'm safe.
Gago to. Kinain ako, gago. Where you at now?
Tatay ako. Gago, nabal ako.
Is that true? You dead?
I'm running.
Pinunta mo sa akin. Kakasman
Wala
ko
na.
lang, alam mo. Kakasman ko lang.
Wala na. Sa likod ka! Run!
I'm following. Wait, this is new. What? Uy, pinasok yung bahay. Pahin natin sila.
Gago, boy pa rin sila, oh.
Press E. We're not. Huwag kang dumikit ka na dyan yung Ray.
Saan?
Ayun o. Hindi mo nakikita yung kuko. Ay,
Sila yan. Andun siya sa gilid yung rake.
I'm not eh.
Pwede ba tayo off? Sa kanila naka-agro yung rake eh.
Kaya, ano yung binili nila yung bakat?
Hindi ko alam. Baka naayos nila. Uy, gago, dito. Ayan oh.
Nakapasok. Ay, ano. Anong sabi? May sinasabi sila eh.
Uy, dyan na, dyan na. Gago, takbo, takbo.
Naka-down ako. Uy, ba't ganun? Hindi ako namatay. Down lang ako. Are you helping me?
Hindi pwede. Gago, nasa taas siya oh.
Sino yung Rick?
Oo.
I'm alive. I can move.
Lumabas si Gago.
I'm down. Paano? I'm down. Ba't ganun? Hindi ako namatay.
Hindi kanya tinuluyan kasi hinahabol niya sila eh. Pasok ka. Gapang ka dito.
I can't move, dude. Okay. Where are you at?
Pasok ka dito. Dito sa loob. Tara.
Wee! Eh, ala ng ilaw.
Okay lang yan.
Yay, we're safe, dude.
May radyo ko nakuha na naman. Bakit?
Wait, ano to?
Yan ba yung supply drop mo?
I think. Kanina pa. Ay, no. Takbo.
Gago.
Dude. Ano yan?
Dali, mag-isaw-saw ka dito, dali. Ah.
Ano yun?
Ano to?
Battery?
Energy
Ilang-
drink?
Oh, it's an energy drink.
Ah, pampabilis tumakbo.
Ginamit mo na agad?
Oo.
Wala, hindi sila nagpasalamat sa akin ng galing yun. So, wala ka ng energy drink.
Wala na.
Wait lang. May isang lever na weird. Ito. Para saan to?
Hindi ko alam.
I think that's for power. Isn't it? Sige nga, try mo i-switch.
Ah, nagsiswitch yung ilaw dito sa loob.
Sige
Pasok.
nga.
Suki, pasok.
Wow. I suggest you try opening it. Kaya ko yun. Sige nga, i-open mo. Ano yun? Ano to?
Yung,
May nahulog.
nasisira niya to oh. Nakikita mo ba?
Oo.
Gago. Ready ko
Ano
nang
to?
i-open.
Saan mo?
Dito patay ako. Down ako.
Nadown ako.
Gago. Ina, pwede pala yun.
Okay. Come base camp. Come here, guys. Where?
Fuck!
You're
Saan?
such a pussy. Oh,
What
yun nakita
the-
ko yun. Ayun. Yung landmark.
What the fuck?
Dude, makukuryente ka.
Ay,
You
shit.
fucking stupid. Did you know that I was the one who fixed that? Yeah.
Oh,
Didn't know that.
okay.
You a pussy.
May achievement pag nakuryente ka.
Yeah. Oh, we win. We win, dude.
Na-stuck siya.
Nandiyan pa rin.
Gago. Umikot siya, gago.
Sinigot.
Oo.
Mo, nasa taas na.
Lang, abangan natin. Tagal yan masira eh. Takina, binuksan ni Gago. Kaalis.
Look mo!
Patay ka?
Ba't di mo nila?
Tangina, tanga-tanga yung isa. Binuksan niya.
Ba't di mo nila? Wala, nakadalawang survive ka na ako, zero. Dude, like, what the fuck?
Oh shit!
See that? Nasa bahay ka ba? Opening the door. Are you in here? Dude,
Sa may kulay red ako.
nasa kulay red ka, ang layo mo.
Fuck! Nandito na naman siya sa akin. Nabos na yung sprint ko, gago.
Good, good, good. Oh, what the fucking... Okay, alam ko kung nasan ka kaso sobrang layo. Pag diniretso ko to, papunta ako sa red.
Fuck! I'm dead.
Oh.
Ayoko na.